Let's have a look at some examples of the Cyc AnswerArt plugin being used. In order to get started, you'll need to click the Cyc icon in the toolbar. What you then see is a page which resembles a regular web page in which you'll have the option to enter queries using the Ask text box. In our first example, let's ask the software, what caused pollution? This produces a results page consisting of two parts. One contains this green rectangle where facts are listed as triplets. In here, we have specified in our query that we're interested in things that cause pollution. The last two columns are fixed and are headed Caused and Pollution respectively. In the first column, we're provided with a list of answers: neoplasia, land disposal, dumps, damage, complexity, and so on. On the right-hand side of the page, we're presented with a range of related documents containing links to those documents listed under the column labelled The Following on the left. In this document, for instance, we're told that neoplasia causes pollution. In another document, land disposal is offered as a cause of pollution. We can now inspect any of these documents by clicking on the link. What we're now presented with is an abstract. Here we see its title and accompanying text. We're given a brief one-line summary of the paper, in addition to an abstract which provides us with the key facts. This is a graphical representation of the facts. In this, soils are contaminated by metals. Here, soils are contaminated by micronutrients, and so on. A short summary of the text can be found at the bottom of the page. Using another example, we can also ask simpler queries, like this: sharks have, which returns a range of responses relating to what exactly a shark might have. So, a shark has teeth, a shark has skin, a shark has objectives, distribution, decline, compositions, cartilage, and so on. And so to our last example: where is water used? This question will take a longer time to answer because there's more reasoning to be undertaken. But it's a nice illustration of what kind of reasoning Cyc can perform in the background. What you now see is a results page in the same format as before. Of course, there are more responses, so the green display rectangle is larger and contains more data. Because we have asked AnswerArt to offer its response to the "Where is water used?" question, we see a set of answers in the third column. We've used the word "where", so geographic locations are offered up to us first. However, there are others such as water supply, voltammetry, transfer function approach, seawater blending, and so on. Although the keyword used was water, we're also presented with a broader range of interpretations such as freshwater, bay, ocean, lakes, gulf, stream, and so on. The expression used is also expanded by reasoning to exploited, exerts, applied, and many others. And that concludes this simple overview of the Cyc AnswerArt plugin for the NeOn Toolkit.